In 1981, 18-year-old Jeannie Moore was hitchhiking like she often did.
Witnesses watched her get into a older model Ford Galaxy or LTD, red in color.
She was heading to work, but when she never showed up, her family knew something wasn't right.
Always came home and always called. So I know there's something wrong. It's been too long.
After days of searching, Jeannie's body was discovered in Genesee Park. Her killer was never found until now, nearly 40 years later.
Donald Perea was 23 when he kidnapped Jeannie from the area of I-70 in Harlan, sexually assaulted and killed her.
The break in Jeannie's case came when the Jeffco Sheriff's Office teamed up with Crime Stoppers and United Data Connect. New technology allowed them to use DNA from the crime scene and public genealogy websites to build a family tree, leading them to Donald Perea's daughter.
So we were able to collect DNA from his biological daughter, and then we were able to submit that DNA to our scientists here at the Jeffco Sheriff's Office.
Investigators say Perea, who's now deceased, was 3.3 trillion times more likely than anyone else to have committed this crime.
This is the guy. There's nobody else out there in the world that would have a statistic like we have in this case.
This case shows the power of emerging technology. It was a partnership between the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and a company called United Data Connect, co-founded by former Denver District Attorney Mitch Morrissey. Investigators re-examined the evidence in Jeannie's case in 2008 for any possible DNA. And this May, the case got another look in hopes of using genealogy to solve it. Morrissey explained how two databases were used in the search, but one called Family Tree helped lead investigators to the suspect.
Really, for me, the only thing that is not a good thing about today is we can't hold this individual accountable because God took him before we got a chance.